Welcome to our channel. Today we how to delete archived chats on WhatsApp, chat cleanup step by step clearly. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and make sure you are on the chat screen. On iPhone, tap Settings at the bottom right, then tap Storage and Data. On Android, tap the three dots in the top right, tap Settings, then tap Storage and Data. Now tap Manage Storage to open WhatsApp's storage and cleanup tools. Wait a few seconds while WhatsApp calculates the space used by your chats and media. Scroll down until you see the section that lists chats and how much storage each chat uses. Tap the option that shows your chat list, such as chats or the list of conversations by size. Look for archived conversations, which may appear with an archived indicator or older chat names you recognize. If you do not see them immediately, go back to the chat screen and tap Archived at the top to view archived chats. Press and hold the archived chat you want to remove until it becomes selected. If you want to delete multiple archived chats, tap Additional Chats to select them one by one. Tap the trash can icon to delete the selected archived chat or chats. When WhatsApp asks for confirmation, read the message carefully before continuing. If you see an option to delete media in the chat, enable it only if you also want to remove photos and videos from WhatsApp storage. Tap Delete to confirm and permanently remove the chat from your WhatsApp chat list. Repeat the same select and delete process for any other archived chats you no longer need. Next, return to Settings and open Storage and Data again to continue with chat cleanup. Tap Manage Storage one more time to refresh the storage results after deletions. In the Review and Delete Items section, open Large Items to remove big videos and files linked to old chats. Select the items you want to remove, then tap Delete to free up space safely. Go back and open Forwarded many times if it appears, because these files are often duplicates. Select unnecessary items there and delete them to reduce clutter quickly. Now scroll to the chat list by size again and tap any chat that is still using too much space. Tap Manage for that chat to see its media categories like photos, videos, and documents. Select unwanted media, then delete it to clean up without deleting the entire conversation. If you only wanted to clear media but keep the chat, use Clear Chat from the chat settings instead of Delete Chat. Double-check the archived folder again to confirm the chats you deleted are no longer listed. If something important might be missing, stop and restore only if you have a recent backup before the deletion. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.